Alright guys, we are in a unknown location.
Yeah. A wee bit scared.
And we're about to try a couple wheelies. So, I guess this is gonna be like a part 1 of trying to wheelie the 600, dude. And obviously off camera, I've tried a couple. Alright, I'm gonna try one, dude. Ooh, it came up a little bit.
Alright, I got you on this camera. That was a nice one though. Alright. Oh, dude. It's a lot harder than it looks. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. We can keep going straight if you want. Now Frankie's gonna try one in a minute. Oh, he got a little one. Oh, there it is. Bro, that shit came up, bro. Alright, I'm gonna try again after this little pothole. I'm in first gear, by the way. Not looking at the RPMs, just going by feel. Oh, that one was fucking horrible. It's just, bro, it's so scary, dude. Oh my gosh. See, I got scared and just cut off the throttle. Oh, I just seen you pop one.
Like these things are so heavy. Ooh, that one was a good one, yeah. Oh. Ooh, okay.
It is fucking scary. Just right into the fucking car. Oh, I seen that one though.
That was Bearsy. Nah, bro.
Well, I mean, at least they're coming up. Yeah. Frankie got another little one. The softer the better.
Bro, I think my tire's too soft. You think so? Like I feel my tire like folding. I think. No? No? Maybe I'm tripping then. Noise, baby.
Yeah. Like day 1 trying, at least they're coming off. It's definitely scary, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, it does. Like, dude, you hit this point where you're like, you hit this point in the wheelie where you're like, oh my god, cut off the throttle. Like, that one, like, see, like that one I just cut off because of this light. But it's like, you get to a point where it's like, oh my god, yeah. Yeah. Does it? I'm gonna do one more. Yeah. See, there's like a spot in mine where I'm like, ooh. Yeah. So from here now what we got to do is just either try to chase them out or try to get them higher. Like quickly get up, you know? Yeah. I know.